Hello friends, you're on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I'll show you how to remove ink stains from clothes. I need to get rid of a dried ink stain on my jeans. Take a bowl and pour some plain white vinegar into it. Next, soak the stain in vinegar. Leave in this state for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take laundry soap and wash the stain from a ballpoint pen under warm water. Well friends, this is how you can easily remove ink stains from clothes. Thank you all for watching, see you in other videos.